If you have a clogged downspout, there are a few things to consider before deciding how to remove the clog. It's more difficult to clear a drain line than it is to clear a downspout. The drain line could exit at a lower point or into a dry well that's buried in the ground.
Excavating to repair this drain line would be expensive because it goes underneath the patio. The most likely place for a clog is at the elbow just below the rain gutter. To prevent future clogs, experiment with different types of strainers.
I suspect that I'll find this elbow full of seeds from a nearby maple tree.
This type of strainer is located above the clogged elbow, and it will allow those seeds to pass through these long slots. The smaller holes in this strainer won't allow those seeds to pass through. If you have a chronic clogging problem, you may consider spending some money and making a design change. I don't think this will work really good with leaves, though I think it would be good for pine needles. Most downspouts are 2x3s. Install a larger downspout, a 3x4, and you can buy an outlet that people call wide mouth or big mouth, so that you have a bigger opening from the rain gutter. Put a strainer up top, and the idea is that the large debris can wash down the downspout, and under the downspout you put a collection box, and that has a screen in it so that when the collection box gets full or clogged up, you can clean it out from below instead of having to go up on a ladder. If the downspout doesn't empty into a drain line and the top can be easily accessed, use a plumber's snake or a stiff wire and feed it down the top of the downspout to loosen up the clog. Then attach this type of nozzle to the end of a garden hose and flush the rest of the loosened clog away. If the top can't be accessed, you can try fishing a plumber's snake up from the bottom, but since the clog is likely at the top elbow, it may be difficult to get the snake around the other elbows to reach the clog. Use a long stick or pole and gently wrap the inaccessible clogged elbow a few times. You can try using a leaf blower and force air up from the bottom of the downspout to blow the clog away. The downside to this method is that if there's strainers at the top of the downspout, you may dislodge or blow them out of the rain gutter, and the rain gutter will probably still be full of leaves, so it'll just clog up again. If your downspout is connected to a drain line, you'll want to remove the downspout, or in my case, I was just able to remove the elbow. I apologize for not having video of taking it apart. That was an awkward spot, and actually not real easy to take down. There's an outlet that was fastened to the bottom of the rain gutter. It had 4 screws holding it to the bottom of the rain gutter. To access the screws, I used a ratchet and a 1/4 inch socket, and for some of the angles I had to put the socket onto the handle. The screws are also slotted, so you can use a screwdriver also.
I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.